Okay, Garmin. Safe video.
Oh my God.
Again, she give me bright and dawn, I'm up bright and early with a brighter bone. Even when I'm in Rome, I feel right at home. The beat got me in a tighter zone. I'm gonna jump to the heart, but I like my own. And I'm kind of grown, I've heard ocean wisdom. Send somebody better get that word on the phone.
Oh my God!
Whoa!
Upstairs floor in the bathroom threshold.
Mom, he's on my head.
Oh my goodness.
Oh no.
What the?
Oh no.
The medical industry has is not okay, and should never be minimized in the sense of, well, statistically it's just so.
God damn.
You know, if you look at any other product.
Why is he filming us? Cause he's trying to he was tailgating me, right? I'm trying to speed up. Go! Don't hit the brake, just go straight. I got that on Dashcam. That's on Dashcam. We didn't hit anything.
It's fine.
The f*** you moron!
What just happened?
Jackass just pulled out in front of me.
Oh man. Oh my God.
But I wouldn't want a bus like me because then that would be fucking annoying. Whoa, baby, we're gonna.
Whoa.
Did we hit?
Nope. He almost hit us.
Need to see documentation, girls. Do you realize the odds? How would you even get HIV in high school from sucking dick at Hooters? Yeah, it's kind of embarrassing, but we go to a lot of swinger parties with homeless people.
Homeless swinger parties.
Yeah.
And it's T and I.
Alright, he made the 28 yard.
Ah, you better. Oh my.
Alright, hey, good save, good save, good save. Good save, good save. Alright, so
Oh shit! Oh my god, dude! Hell, bro! What, dude, they just got bro! Dude,
yes, I've been stealing and fibbing, I'm just a old school villain. Let's get it. Lately I've been moving, cause there ain't no room for an outlaw like me. Lord.
promised me the second I get into any school that him and I would start apartment hunting so we'd live together.
Damn it! What the f***? You!
I did not shoot the deputy. I shot the sheriff. I didn't shoot the Reflexes got the red.
Don't you dare! Holy shit! Okay, don't cause an actual car accident yourself.
You know, the magic of Billy's show at the garden, it wasn't dancing girls or lasers, it was the fact that he treated it like it was the lounge at the Holiday Inn that just happened to have 20,000 people. When I talked to this one, I hate that song. I hate that song. It's a novelty song. It wasn't supposed to be a
Number one for breaking news in the capital city, News Talk 93.9 and AM 1240, WPAF. Study
Mother
Ghosters.
That car ran away.
Okay, Garmin.
What?
Why would it come out like that?
Stop sign.
I know that.
I locked that up. Where'd you come from, honey?
What was that?
What the f?
Damn! Yo! Why did you get closer to him? I didn't. I was pulling away from
and then I'm going to stay for the rest of the day.
It looks good on you. It really does. Jesus Christ.
And I got the other wig. Watch it!
Shit, you idiot.
Oh my god, we almost hit a girl.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.